Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Docker on Ubuntu step-by-step process. First, make sure we fulfill all the prerequisites for installing Docker on Ubuntu. So, we will check the official website for Docker. I will provide the link in the description box. So here we can see the OS requirements. So it says to install Docker engine, you need the 64-bit version of these Ubuntu versions. So these are the Ubuntu versions that is required for installing Docker. We can check the version by running the command lsb underscore release space -a. So here I'm running Ubuntu 22.04. Before installing Docker engine, we need to update our Ubuntu with the command sudo apt get update. We'll provide the password. This will make sure we have access to the latest version of all the Ubuntu packages. Our Ubuntu OS is updated. Now the next step is to install the Docker engine. We will clear the screen. We need to run the command sudo apt install docker.io. Hit enter. Now we'll press yes in caps and hit enter. Once the installation is completed, we need to enable the Docker service by running the command sudo systemctl enable Docker. This ensures the Docker engine starts up automatically every time whenever we boot up our machine. Now to make sure that the Docker service is running, we can run the command sudo system control status Docker. You can see the Docker service is active and it is in running state. In case your Docker service is not running, you can enable the Docker service by running the command sudo system control start Docker. So this command will start your Docker service. Now finally, to test that our Docker installation is working correctly, we can spin up a Docker container. So for that, let me clear the screen. Now to spin up a Docker container, we can run this command sudo docker run hello world. So type this command and press enter. If everything is set up correctly, you can see this message. It says hello from Docker. Now let me quickly explain you what this command did. This line says that the image couldn't be found locally because we didn't create any hello world image locally on our Ubuntu machine. So what Docker did is Docker pull was used to fetch the image from the Docker Cloud library. And once the pull was successful, we can see the hello world image on our Ubuntu machine. So in the second line, you can see pulling from library hello world. And then in the third line, you can see pull completed. So that means the pull was completed from the Docker library in the cloud, and then the image was installed locally on our Ubuntu machine. And we can see the message, hello from Docker. That's it for this video. We have Docker installed on our Ubuntu machine. We will see more on how to use Docker in our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe my channel and like the videos for more tech tutorials coming. So till then, keep learning, keep practicing, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.